think I got it now. So, good morning, Cheryl, your accountant extraordinaire, number ninja, and camping guru. I don't know anymore. I don't know what I'm supposed to say other than I am more than happy to give you information and help you go next level with your deductions and your business and your bookkeeping. But it's just information until you talk to your accountant about your situation. So if you don't have an accountant that is easily accessible, come join me. You can set up a consultation or join my membership. Just go to sawcheryl.com, SAWCHERYL.com. And I will see you on the other side. All right, with that, let's go. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Heather, Dawn, Vic, Robin. Good morning, my lovely ladies. It's so good to spend time with you guys every morning. Heather found this new app. Yes, I don't know how new it is, but I've never heard of it before. Anyway, she found this new app yesterday and took 2 photos and made the people hug, and it was so cute, and it made me cry. So, it was anyway. I will be sharing that later because I just love it. In fact, I was wearing this shirt in the picture. So, I had a really good call last night. Well, it takes pictures and will make the people in the pictures hug. Like, I don't think it really does well for groups per se, but she took a picture of her. This piece of hair, go away. Yeah, it's an AI app, and it took 2 pictures. So she took a picture of her and a picture of me, and it combined the pictures and made it look like we were hugging in real life in a video. It's so cute. Oh, you'll see it in a little bit. All right, this piece of hair. This piece of hair has got to stop whatever it's doing and do something away from my like, seriously, what the fudge? Anywho, I've got this call this morning, then I go to Chris's group, and then I get to do the branding call with Heather, and then I get to have a lovely call with Marie, who some of my members got to meet yesterday. And we get to talk about a possible collaboration. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I was able to join her yesterday, and I was anxious. Like, I just knew how busy my day was going to be, and I was anxious yesterday, and then all of a sudden it pops up on my phone screen. Like, my Facebook Live ended early, and then so I had like 30 minutes before my next call was gonna start, and it pops up on my screen that Marie went live. And so I was like, okay, click. And I went into the live with Marie, and she did this like meditation, and this you took a few minutes and you kind of journaled out some things that were weighing on you, and with a breathing exercise, just kind of let things go. And I'm going to tell you what, that made the biggest difference in the rest of my day. I felt 100 times better. Would you look at this? Jamesy, what are you doing, buddy? So yeah, I was so grateful that I am in her membership group, and I was able to join her for that. Now she does lives on TikTok and Facebook, and she's got a free Facebook page, I think, a group, I think, and she's all over the place, right? And so she goes live all the time, and so you can absolutely follow along with her and get her meditations and readings and things like that. But it was I actually slept most of last night too. So I feel like it was very beneficial. I don't know what my internet or whatever is doing. Anyway, only had 2 people to show up to the 6 o'clock call last night. And only one of them wanted to talk. The other one was just there to do their bookkeeping. And she got like a whole 2 hours, 2 hour one-to-one with me. So that was great for her. And we had some really good conversations. So Lisa says, damn. Heather says, I was going to come, but I fell. You fell again? Vic says, good for her. Lisa says, I was running around and remembered your call way after it was over. Yeah, right. Again? So there was some conversation the other morning in one of the reseller. Yeah, Vic says, stop falling. Lisa says, are you okay? Yeah, oh, oops. Are you okay? I hope you're okay. I didn't mean to skip that part. Heather says, yeah, my right knee buckled randomly. Man, I had my hands, and her hands were full. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, we will be sending love and light your way for a speedy recovery and no more falls. Holding space for no more falls. Lisa, shit flying everywhere. Yeah, Vic, my knees buckle all the time too. So there was a call in the reseller revenue group with Carrie's group the other morning, and there was a lot of talk about hiring your children. And then there was talk about if you hire your children, how does that affect possible student loans and or scholarships? And my personal opinion is that it doesn't. However, I do happen to know an expert. So I will be reaching out to the expert today and hopefully be able to get her to come back. What are you doing, James? That was my back. Say hello to the peoples. Say hello to the peoples. um, Lisa says, no more falling. You're way too young for that. Heather says, I'm not feeling young. Lisa, dude, it only goes downhill from here. Heather says, I'll be 40 in November. Yes, Lisa, right? Unless we do something different, that is. Absolutely. Vic says, Jamesy. See, Vic says, Jamesy. Jamesy James. Heather says, hi, Jamesy. Robin says, oh my God, the cutest face. Him does got the cutest face. And here's Wilson. Wilson. He hates being on camera. He's like one of them people that thinks that the camera's gonna steal his soul, some kind of shit. Yes, Jamesy always wants, well, you know what? He doesn't always want some mama, but he always wants some snuggles from somebody, and he'll take them wherever he can get them. Lisa says, what a lovely dark night. Aw. Robin says, Heather, did you tuck and roll at least? Vic and Heather both said, hi, Wilson. Hey, Wilson. And Lisa said, called you Sir Wilson. That very much fits your vibe, doesn't it, Bubby? That very much fits your vibe, doesn't it? Sir Wilson. Oh, here comes the JoJo. Here comes baby boy. Come here. Come here. Joe, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. The people wants to come here. The people wants to say hello to you. Come here. Your fan club wants to say hello. Okay, here, we'll go this way. There. JoJo, say hello to your fans. My little donut puppy. Heather says, I missed that, Robin. There was no time for that. It was a sack of potatoes fall. Hi, Joey boy. Heather says hi. Robin says so cute. Use the cute boy. Use the cute boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, baby. What's the matter, Wilson? Oh, you don't want that on you. Okay. He's like, I'm sleeping. It is. It's actually a bean bag. And I have two of them. But to put it in the bean bag thing, it's very hard. Good morning, Dawn. It's very hard, and they love it. So I have two of them, and neither one of them are in the bean bag part. I bought these covers, and they're waterproof covers, and I have this one upstairs, and I have another one that is in I have one of those couches that has the lounge on each end, and it fits perfectly in the middle between the two lounges. So like Steve lays out on one end, I lay out on the other. The boys get the big bed, or sometimes one of us or both of us get down on the big bed and snuggle with all the puppies and watch a movie, and they'll get behind us on the couch. So it's really pretty cool. And I got them off of Facebook Marketplace. So I didn't pay for the two of them. I did not pay what one of the things costs. They're ridiculously priced. Puppy snuggles, yes, absolutely. So I was saying that I have a lady that is she's an expert at scholarships, and she has a whole she grew a whole business out of it, and so I'm going to contact her today and see if she will come back on my channel, and we will do another interview, and we will get some specifics about filling out the papers and how income for children might play into scholarships and loans and things like that. So she actually was able to get both of her children full scholarships. So when they graduated college, they had absolutely no loans. So, and like I said, she's made a whole business out of it. So it's really pretty cool. I had her on my channel before when I was doing a joint thing, and I took those videos down. So, but like, I don't know all of the things, right? So I can absolutely help people do certain parts of it, but if those certain parts end up possibly creating unforeseen circumstances, right? And so that was brought up, and now I will find a way to answer those questions and make sure that when I'm giving this information, people are better prepared. But she's got people that reach out to her as early as giving birth to a baby and say, okay, what do I need to do to start the process? There's people that start that early. And then there's people, she says you need to start by like 7th or 8th grade at the latest. I mean, you can still do it if you start later than that, but you have to at least start by then. So that you're going to get the best result if you at least start by then. That's what I'm trying to say. She says it's never too late to start to get some kind of assistance. But so Heather's branding call is today in like 2 hours. So I will see all of you lovely people there, and hopefully Heather will get me last week's recording so I can get that uploaded for everybody. I will get all of the videos uploaded. How do we get to that call, please? We get to the same way you get to mine. It's all in the same room. I will, I'll post the link again. But the link that I sent you yesterday, Lisa, yeah, in the Zoom room, the link that I sent you for the Zoom, if you save that number, it's always the same. And there's no password because I let people in. Yep. So I realized that this wasn't a super helpful call this morning. And I had a topic sort of, kind of, but it didn't I will be doing better about that. For you members, I'm going to be putting a comment in Marcus's chat this morning because I have a question regarding some videos. My plan for after Chris's call is to get some videos knocked out for Ralph to work on. Oh, that being said, if you are in need of a VA, then reach out and let me know. Because I've talked to Ralph and he has he's already started putting some things together on his end, and I have things together on my end, so I will be able to facilitate either long-term or short-term VA assignments. Super excited about that. Lisa, I didn't really have a topic for this morning. There's just so many things going on in my head. It was like nothing was coming out like, this is what I need to talk about. Other than what I did talk about, which is, hey, I didn't realize that could be an issue, So, good morning, Larry. You're just in time to say good morning and see you later. But yeah, I'm gonna make a quick cup of coffee and then go hop on Chris's call. I got to finish getting my computer turned back on. I actually turned it off last night because it had been on for like 3 or 4 weeks. So it got all updated and it got to take a nap. So yes, more coffee. I need more coffee before I do that call. So I will see you all tomorrow morning. Well, I will see most of y'all here in a couple hours. And oh my goodness, excuse me, in Heather's call. So ciao. Tschüss.